Toyota vehicles store personal settings in driver profiles. When selling or returning your vehicle, it's important to remove these profiles to protect your personal data. There are three main methods to accomplish this. The most common method is through your vehicle's infotainment system. Start by pressing the Settings button on your main screen, then navigate to User Settings or Driver Profiles. Select the profile you want to remove, then choose Delete Profile or Remove User. The system will ask you to confirm the deletion before permanently removing the profile and its associated settings. For a complete reset, go to Settings, then General, then Reset. Select Reset All Settings or Factory Reset. This method removes all driver profiles and returns the entire system to factory defaults. If you have a 2024 or newer Toyota model, you may be able to manage profiles through the Toyota mobile app. Open the app, navigate to Vehicle Settings, select Manage Profiles, and choose Remove Profile. Remember to always remove your driver profiles when selling your vehicle, returning a lease, or trading in at a dealership. This protects your personal data, saved locations, and preference settings from being accessed by the next owner. Toyota's QR code system enables quick smartphone integration and seamless profile transfer between vehicles. This feature is now standard on most Toyota models. For new vehicles, start by completing the initial setup and creating your primary driver profile. Then access the connectivity settings through the infotainment system. Navigate to Device Connection or Phone Pairing, then select QR Code Setup. The system will generate a unique QR code that remains active for 5 to 10 minutes. For used vehicles, first remove any previous owner profiles and reset the system to factory defaults. This ensures a clean setup before creating your new profile. The generated QR code features Toyota branding and remains active for a limited time window. Simply scan it with your smartphone camera to establish the connection. This technology is now standard across Toyota's lineup, with 95% of 2024 models featuring QR code capability. The system reduces setup time from 12 minutes to just 3 minutes, with a 78% success rate for first-time users. The QR code system streamlines the connection process, making it easier than ever to integrate your smartphone with your Toyota's infotainment system and transfer your personalized settings.